The sound you hear overhead and the sight you see overhead is our signal to welcome to the stage none other than Mr. Shawn D. Tucker. You're about to witness a demonstration of some of the most hardcore, down and dirty, hard-charging aerobatics known to man, which come as a result of Shawn's more than 21,000 hours of combined fixed and rotary wing flight time. Spinning down now at an incredible rate, at a roll rate exceeding 400 degrees per second. Please welcome to the stage at the 2014 Oregon International Air Show, Shawn D. Tucker in the Oracle Challenger 3. Now let's watch Shawn as he climbs into the beautiful blue sky and does a maneuver that has never been performed before by Shawn Tucker, because he never had an airplane with this kind of capability. His third airplane gives him the ability in the Oracle Challenger 3 to do a forward flip. Watch for the inverted recovery. 6 negative G's trying to throw Shawn D. Tucker out of the cockpit. This is the Huey Loop. Now upright, positive G's. He'll put a tumble at the top. And he will recover outside or negative G's. Shawn D. Tucker has inspired a new generation of radio control aircraft pilots to do things they could never have done before. And they have in turn inspired Shawn D. Tucker to try to do things with his full-scale airplane that have never been done before. Now watch as Shawn goes up. The airplane now rolls to the left, 1 1/4 time with a shoulder roll to the right. 0 airspeed, kicks hard left on the left rudder pedal, doing not 1 but 2 consecutive hammerhead stall turns. A maneuver done by only a handful of people in the world today. Let's give it up for Shawn D. Tucker. Now as Shawn continues to tumble the Oracle Challenger 3, let me tell you about this airplane. It's custom built specifically for Shawn by his team. He had reached the limits of the other aircraft and it couldn't keep up with him. Weighing in at 1,220 pounds with an almost 400 horsepower engine, it's the most high performance aerobatic biplane in the world today. Now a flat turn inverted. This is called the Frisbee turn. And now it's time to go live to the cockpit and say hello to Shawn D. Tucker. Shawn D., are you with us?
I got a great, big, little sort of smile on my face, Rob Ryder. So I just want to say to everybody here, the 3 best words in English language. You got that right, folks. Let's say it together. God bless America, baby! Okay, Rob, as I go up into the torque roll, you got to remember our men and women in the military, and we got to salute them for protecting our freedom. That's why we're here. And so let's celebrate our freedom, the freedom of flight, and live with passion, baby. I'm going back to work, Rob.
All right, Shawn D. Ladies and gentlemen, how do you like Shawn D. Tucker in the Oracle Challenger 3 doing a torque roll and backing it up some 700 feet in reverse? There is nobody who doesn't like Shawn D. Tucker. Now, I want you to get on your feet and look out on the runway. Out on the runway, you see 3 sets of